GT Birla Center for Education hosts physics exhibition on astrophysics and cosmology. Kolkata students explore the mysteries of the universe together. Kolkata, the GT Birla Center for Education recently transformed its campus into a mini universe of discovery as it hosted a grand physics exhibition on the theme of astrophysics and cosmology. The event was not limited to its own students. Young science enthusiasts from several other leading schools of Kolkata were also invited, turning the day into a vibrant platform for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and innovation. Exploring the universe through student creativity, the exhibition showcased projects, working models, and demonstrations that brought alive of some of the most fascinating ideas of modern science: black holes, wormholes, time travel, the Big Bang Theory, dark matter, dark energy, the expanding universe, and the research for exoplanets. Students explain this complex idea in simple, imaginative way, often using interactive experiments, charts, and models that blended creativity with scientific rigors. Cross schools collaborations and healthy competition. By welcoming participants from other schools, Gigi Birla promoted a spirit of collaboration beyond classrooms, teamwork, together, shared perspective, and even debated questions like what lies beyond the observable universe, and could humans one day colonize planet outside our solar system. This exchange not only encourages deeper understanding but also inspires friendship across institutions, reminding everyone that science thrives when minds unite. Expertise and community engagement. The event drew a panel of experts that included physics professor, research scholar, and alumni who praised the quality of research and originality of presentations. Parents and visitors too were given guided tour of the exhibition, making the day a true community celebration of curiosity and knowledge, a gateway to future science leaders. Speaking at the closing ceremony, the principal of GT Birla emphasized that such exhibitions are more than competitions, they are stepping stones for future scientists, research, and thinkers. The event ended with awards for the most innovations exhibition, but the real prizes was the spark of inspiration seen in every student's eyes as they imagined their place in the vast cosmos. So, could you please tell me about yourself first?
Well, I'm Prakti Kumar, a student in class 11 of GD Birla Center for Education. I'm a person who is a debater, a quizzer, a writer, dancer, drama, elocution, robotics, STEM. I'm into more or less everything that happens in school.
Alright, really good. You are from physics department?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So as you are from physics department and this exhibition is going on, so can you please tell me like what is your favorite topic in physics or experiment which you really like?
If I say one favorite topic, I'll be doing an injustice to physics because I love the subject a lot. But truth be told, what I really like about physics is how it explores the motion. I'm walking, you are walking. Why are we even walking? How can we walk? What will happen if gravity goes away? Those are really the questions which pull me in. But then again, today's symposium is about astrophysics and cosmology, and I can't deny that I absolutely love those two as well. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That has always been the first question I asked to my preschool teacher, in Kitsi that is.
Alright, really nice answer. Could you please tell me like how you see the physics outside the classroom? Not as a subject, but outside the classroom.
Yes. Kolkata people can relate to centripetal acceleration really lot because thanks to the autos taking a sharp turn, we all face Newton Baba's laws of motion.
Alright.
Then when I talk about it, we have the MP Birla Planetarium where we can see wonderful displays of physics, astrophysics, cosmology and everything. Experiencing physics is seeing it with your own eyes. You can't really find the fun in it if you keep on rotating formulas, right? See the motion, see the gravity, see the friction, see the upthrust, and well, physics is here to enjoy.
Yes, ma'am. Like you have originated this idea of physics exhibition. So, ma'am, I just want to have to
We
say
are calling it a symposium. So this idea was there. It just needed execution. So what I have observed is that students are nowadays they have this extreme interest towards astrophysics, in general physics, science, but somehow they are under the society pressure or peer pressure, whatever. They are somehow more moving towards JEE, NEET, engineering, medical. So that has become a very common platform for them. So somehow this pure research is, it's like lost. Okay, so this idea was to do, normally you will see that majority schools, they do conduct exhibitions where they make models and everything. So I thought those are very common. We have to do something which will leave behind an impact, something where the students will get a chance to do their research, pure theoretical research. We do need scientists, more and more scientists in the field of pure science, which is somehow we are not getting since probably the last decade, if my data is correct. So this is just a small contribution from our part, by which we can get the students to do that amount of research and finally present their talks on their selected topics. So, and astrophysics is something which creates fascination in everybody. So though it is not a part of the curriculum, but students they do take interest in doing their research about space and galaxies and universe, and we are actually getting excellent topics from the different schools.
So, sir, I just wanted to ask you that this exhibition is going on, the physics exhibition. So, what message would you like to give to the students who are aspiring through this, who want to pursue in career in science and technology?
Yes, so that was the idea when my physics department teachers came to me, that they would like to host a symposium on astrophysics and cosmology. I found that aligns with what our nation is in pursuit of. I have been saying that when I was a student, we used to hear of USSR and America that used to dominate space research. But today ISRO is one of the dominant players, which is a matter of great pride that our country has reached that level, that they compete with the US and USSR. So filtering it down to a school level, we thought, why not spark the interest in such young minds? So this kind of a competition inspires them to research, and we don't know, this research that they are doing and then presenting before us, it is definitely teaching us a lot, but we don't know whether this will inspire a spark that will take them further into this field, and we may just be looking at future space scientists in our country.
All right, sir. And sir, I just wanted to know, sir, what inspired you to put this exhibition to other schools and putting into a competition way? Each and everyone is presenting to so well, and they are just doing it, bringing it a new way. Like I have seen the way the students has done it, in the way of conversation. So I just wanted to know, sir, what was the thought you have thought to become a competition between all those schools?
So first of all, I always say that children really, they excel in a competitive spirit. So by making it competitive, we are fueling that spirit of excelling. But the fact that we didn't want it to be an in-house event, we wanted to reach out to schools around our city, because as I said, that we want to inspire students of our city to explore this field of science. This is where the country is going forward. So it's only fair that we reach out. We have many types of competitions in schools, but to have a purely academic event is what our goal was, and that's why we provided this platform to students. So what you see here are 10 schools who have reached the finals, but there were 17 schools that actually went through the elimination round, which was an online presentation of 3 minutes. And the same two judges you see today are the judges who judge them online. There were many other schools in the city who wanted to be a part of this event, but because their term exams were going on, they were not able to be a part. So we want to make it bigger and better. So next year we will take a time which is more suitable to more schools to take part in this, and thus in a small way we would like to contribute to developing more scientists in our city.
Suhani Jaswal from Desh Shomai.